This one looks easy, but it breaks the internet. Some people say 1, some say 7, and some say 49. So what's the correct answer? Watch till the end because bod mass matter. So what is bod mass? BODMAS. Here B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So according to the rule, bracket comes first. So solve the bracket. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So now the expression becomes 7 divided by 7 multiply 7. Important thing, when 7 and bracket 7, this means 7 multiplication 7. Now division and multiplication both have same priority, but you have to remember that you have to solve it from left to right. So while solving left to right, first is division. So 7 divided 7 times 7, that is 1 multiply 7, which is equals to 7. So the final answer is 7. So what common mistakes people do? Many people wrongly do this. 7 divided 7 bracket 7. So 7 divided 7 times 7 49, and 7 by 49 is 1 by 7. This is incorrect because there are no brackets around 7 and 3 plus 4. So multiplication does not automatically comes before division. Always follow left to right rule. Now, golden rule for you is that first bracket, then division and multiplication both have same priority, but always remember left to right. Never group numbers unless brackets are given. So what answer did you get first? 1, 7 or 49? Comment below, like if word mass is clear now, and subscribe for daily math logic.